Hey Donna, welcome to your 1-year maintenance appointment. We checked in with you last year when you hit your weight loss goal. You'd lost 100 pounds. So we're here for an update. What's been going on?
I have successfully maintained my weight within 5 pounds this whole year. So that's been a blessing, and that's great because I was super scared to do maintenance because that's where most of the times whenever I've done diets before where I have totally failed. So that I'm still hanging in there is great news.
Yeah. What is your second year of maintenance look? What are you looking for in the second year?
I'm hoping to maybe decrease a little bit more, but if not, I'm good. I'm okay. Um, and exercise, maybe add some more exercise in with like to tone some of my legs and arms and stuff.
So we're looking on getting a little bit stronger.
Yeah.
Okay. So anybody looking 2 years later that or doing something their future self will thank them for, what advice do you have for them?
If you are on the fence about whether this will work for you, I think your future self would totally be happy if you tried it. And when I say try it, I mean do exactly what they tell you to do and do it and see, you'll see the results because it works.
Well, we will see you in another year from now
Okay.
for year 2 maintenance, and looking forward to an update then.
All right.
Congrats, Donna.
Thank you.